Open the Dlabel Cloud tab, click All Applications on the homepage to find the Batch Export function. Select the label to export. You can choose a variety of export formats, support PDF, JPG, PNG. Watermark can be selected, custom and default watermark. Custom watermark, you can customize text, color, transparency, direction, size, and tiling. Export quality, there are 3 specifications of quality to choose from. Enter the corresponding export quantity. Select the folder where the exported file is saved. Prompt that the export is successful. Go to the corresponding folder to find the exported file.